Hello everyone. Today let's solve the Leetcode problem number 121. Best time to buy and sell stock. So what the question says, you are given an array prices and prices of I is the price of given stock on the I day. So you want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock, and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. So whatever the stock that we buy on that day, we cannot sell the same stock on the same day, right? If we buy the stock on a particular day, we have to sell that stock on different day. So return the maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction. If you cannot achieve any profit, just return 0, right? So we have to return the maximum profit that we can achieve from the transaction. Or if we do not achieve any profit, then we have to return 0, right? For this example, let's come to this example basically. So here we have got 7, 1, 5, 6 and 4. By looking at this, we can say the minimum this one stock price that we can take is 1, and here because the number is the least number is 1, and the maximum the maximum price that we can sell is 6. Basically here this one we cannot sell this one on 7, right? So the previous day we cannot sell, we have to sell it on the future days or the next day, right? So here 1, and if we sell it for the 6, then we'll get the profit of 5. Nothing but they have mentioned the same thing. Buy on day 2, price equals 1, and sell on day 5, price equals 6, and profit will be 6 minus 1, that is nothing but 5. Note that buying on day 2 and selling on day 1 is not allowed, because that you must buy before you sell. Same thing what I have said. So second example is same as the first one, right? Let's write the code and understand this one. Understand with the first example, right? So initially what I'll do, let's start writing the code. First, so initially let's initialize the minimum buying price as the first price in the array. Nothing but this one, 7, 1, right? For that one, what I'll do, I'll just give let min by price. I'll initialize this one to prices of 0, the 0th index to the 0th index, right? Nothing but the value 7. Next what we'll do, we'll initialize the maximum profit to initially 0. The same thing, I'll do let max equals 0. We are initializing the maximum profit to initially 0. Next, let's iterate through the prices starting from the second element. Basically, we are iterating the prices starting from the second element, nothing but this one, 1, right? So I'll just make use of the for loop. I'll just give I equals 1, I less than length of the prices, nothing but prices dot length I plus plus. So next what I'll do, let's so now the current selling price is the price at the index I, right? This one. So the current selling price is the price at the index I. I. So how can we write that? I'll just make use of let sell price equals prices of I. 1, initially it will be 1, initially it will be 7, next 1, 5, 3, 6, 4, as we go on iterating, right? So let's calculate the profit if sold at the current price. Nothing but I'll just give profit equals, formula is sell price minus minimum buy price. So here, so minimum buy price here, in case of 1 and 6, the maximum profit that we have got 5 is, so minimum buy price is 5, and here the sell price is 6 and the minimum buy price is 1, so 6 minus 1 is 5, right? So that's what we are writing here. The profit, the formula is sell price minus minimum buy price. Next, let's calculate the profit if sold at the current price. How can we write that? I'll just give let profit. Sorry, not this one. Again, I'm doing the same thing, I think. Yeah, sorry. After this, let's update the max profit if the current profit is greater than the previously stored max profit. So every time we choose this one, I mean here, while we are iterating to this one, right, this will be the price, and if we subtract this one, the profit that we get is 4. So next, the profit that we get is 5 here when we come here. So we have to keep updating the maximum profit, right? For that sake, what we can do is, I'll just give max equals math.max of max and profit. So what we are doing here, we are updating the max profit if the current profit is greater than previously stored max profit. Finally, what we'll do, we'll update the minimum buying price to the lowest price seen so far. Nothing but in this case, this is 1, right? So I'll just give min buy price equals math.min of, just copy the same thing, min by price as well as iterated value of price. Finally, let's return the maximum profit that is found. Nothing but I'll just return the max in this case, right? So I'll just format this one. Let me hit the submit. It's wait for some time. So price is not defined. So I have given prices, I think, right? So just give me a second. So yeah, here I have mentioned prices, right? So I'll just give prices. Let me format this once and let me hit the submit again. So yeah, this is correct, right? So now let's take this example and understand what is happening. This example, right? Just give me a second. So let's take this example, right? So initially we are having the array of numbers, this one. So 7, 1, 5, 3, 6 and 4. Initial minimum buy price, this one, we are setting this one to the price of 0, right? Nothing but this one. In case of this one, 7, it will be 7. Max profit initially will be 0, right? So next, what we are doing, day 1, what we are doing, current price is 1 here. We are iterating the value from the second element, nothing but 1 in this case, right? So here, this one, 1. And the well, how can we calculate the profit? Profit is sell price minus buy price. Nothing but 1 minus 7, we will get minus 6. So maximum profit is, how can we find that? Max and profit, right? 7 and 1. Nothing but in this case, we are getting the, 0 and minus 6. In this case, we are getting max profit 0. We are not getting any profit, right? It will be 0. So minimum buy price will be min of 7 and 1. It will be 1. Minimum buy price will be 1 and maximum profit will be 0. So here in this case, first case, maximum profit will be 0, right? I'll just give first case, maximum profit will be 0. On day 2, we'll come here 5, right? This is day 2, 5. So profit is 5 minus 1. Minimum buy price is 1 and this one is, minimum buy price is 1 and sell price is 5. 5 minus 1 is nothing but 4. The maximum profit is now 4, right? Maximum profit is 4. First it was 0 on the this one. First day and the second day it would be 4. We'll come to the third day. Now the current price is 3 basically. It will be 3 minus 1, right? Minimum buy price is still 1 and 3 minus 1 will be 2. Basically now the profit is 2. Profit will be 2 and we will be updating the minimum buy price. Still it will be 1, 3. It will be 1 itself. Minimum buy price will be 1 itself, right? So next we'll move to this one. 3 over, next we'll move to 6, right? Current price is 6. To calculate the profit, we'll do sell price minus min buy price, nothing but 6 minus 1 is nothing but 5, right? 5 is the profit. So basically we are getting the 5 as profit, right? 0, 4, 2 and 5. So profit is 5 right now. The status and the minimum buy price will be 1 itself. 1 and 6, it will be 1 itself, and the max profit will be 5. So the last iteration will be the current price now is 4 and the profit is 4 minus 1. Sell price minus buy price, nothing but 4 minus 1 is 3. The profit is 3 now, right? The minimum buy price is 1, 4. It's still 1 itself. So now minimum buy price is 1 and the max profit is 5. So max profit is 3. So finally we are returning the max out of these numbers, right? What are the numbers we are having? 0. Profit we have got is 0, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These numbers. And we are returning the max of this one, right? We are returning the maximum number. So the maximum number is nothing but 5 here. So this one, right? 5, we are returning the 5. Nothing but here we have got the output as 5. Same thing, right? So let me delete this one. Just give me a second. And what is the time complexity and the space complexity, right? The time complexity of this one is big O of n. Why the time complexity is big O of n? The function iterates through the list of prices only once. This one, right? It iterates through the list of prices only once. Hence, the time complexity is big O of n. And the space complexity would be big O of 1. Why the space complexity is big O of 1 here? The function uses a constant amount of extra spaces regardless of the size of the input array. So, the space complexity would be big O of 1. So, I'll just comment right here. Time complexity would be big O of n and the space complexity would be big O of 1. So, yeah. This is it. Thanks for watching, guys.